everyone, welcome to Apedia and this is Shobha. So my today's video is for all the ones who are preparing for the interviews of PEL. As you know that the organization has just recently posted its shortlisting and now all the aspirants are preparing for the interview. Interview is going to play a crucial role in that. And here I've got a list of questions which are very much prominent for you related to the HR part and particularly related to the organization PEL. What related to organization and why you need to study it out? Just ask yourself. If you have to convince others that why you need to join this organization, first you need to understand and know about the organization. These are some of the quality questions which are being asked in the previous years also and which I've drafted purposely for this purpose. First question is like what do you know about BEL? Like you might have done some of the research. आप वेबसाइट गए होंगे, आपने साइट्स देखी होंगी, आपने कुछ वीडियोस देखी होंगी, आपके कुछ नोन में होंगे लोग, तो आपको BEL ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बारे में क्या पता है? How many units BEL has? हेड ऑफिस कहाँ है? CMD कौन है? डायरेक्टर HR कौन है BEL का? देन इज प्रोडक्ट्स बताओ हमें बिल के. मिशन और विजन क्या है कंपनी का? मेनी ऑफ यू आर नॉट इवन अवेयर अबाउट द मीनिंग. मिशन इज आपका शॉर्ट टर्म गोल होता है, विजन इज लॉन्ग टर्म गोल. उसी तरह से कंपनी के भी अपने एक शॉर्ट टर्म पर्सपेक्टिव्स, ऑब्जेक्टिव्स और लॉन्ग टर्म विजन होती है, दैट इज लॉन्ग टर्म गोल्स वेयर दे एस्पायर टू बी इन फ्यूचर. तो यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड इट आउट कि क्या है एक्चुअली एंड इट इज ऑलवेज रिटन ऑन द वेबसाइट. How do you think you are suitable for our company? आप कैसे suitable हो या फिर आपको ही क्यों select करना चाहे या फिर why you are better than the others who are coming for this interview? So you have to convince them out. तो उसके लिए आपको ये नहीं बोलना होता कि मैम incentives बहुत अच्छे मिलते हैं, perks बहुत हैं. These are the wrong answers and the option which many students chooses, ma'am, a good work-life balance. Wrong, totally wrong. It is always about the work culture, about your passion, about your interest and why you want to be in an organization because you are very much infatuated with the kind of work they do. So these are certain key areas which you have to give your command in. How do you think, or you can say who are the customers? When was BEL formulated? What is Navratna, Mini Ratna, Maharatna status? आपने कभी BEL यूनिट को विजिट किया है? आपने हमारी वेबसाइट देखी थी? तो कोई शॉर्टकमिंग्स या कोई अच्छी चीजें लगी आपको? Which of the domain would you like to work in? अगर आप कौन से डोमेन में एंटर करना चाहते हो? Why was in the BEL news recently? अभी क्या न्यूज आई है? रिसेंट न्यूज भी जब भी पढ़नी है, ऑलवेज गो फॉर द वेबसाइट. आप गूगल पे जाओ, बेल को टाइप करो, न्यूज पे जाओ, लास्ट 6 months की हमेशा पढ़ के जाना. आधे से ज़्यादा these are just a sponsorship, some news, some unnecessary information which is being given, not purposely related to your interview, that you can skip. Rest, just have a glance, read it out aloud and you need to be informative कि क्या क्या recent अभी information या news में headlines हैं. Tell us about something, the profit of the company in the past financial year. Latest products के बारे में बताओ मुझे. Tell us something about the export products. History क्या रही है BEL की? Future क्या है कंपनी का? Objectives क्या है? कौन सी मिनिस्ट्री के अंडर आता है? डिफेंस का मिनिस्टर कौन है इस टाइम पे? डू यू हैव एनी सजेशंस फॉर आवर वेबसाइट? लगा कोई लैप्सेस हैं? रेट कितना करोगे वेबसाइट को आउट ऑफ 10? Do you have any suggestions or you can say do you want to ask us any question? In which field BEL is market leader? हमारे competitors कौन है? हमारा major customer कौन है? या फिर tell us some of the non-defense products. These are certain questions जो मैंने सिर्फ आपको अभी organization related बताए हैं. Where you can get the answers, I'll showcase you. This is entirely in the documentation which is already drafted for you. Documentation is ready. It is there on the website. All you have to do is go through the website पे जाओ, downloads पे जाओ, वहाँ पे आपको ये link provided है जहाँ पे आप entire BEL की documentation को download कर सकते हो जिससे आपको numerous questions solve out हो जाएंगे. All you have to go is research about it. Last but not the least, obviously a detailed video by Dr. Vijendra will be posted soon for this purpose. Why I am saying so? Understand your goal. You have to do your task very minutely. आपको organization से related, HR से related, आपको अपनी personality से related, आपके education perspective से related, ये सारी चीज़ों का एक mixture पढ़ के जाना है. And this is the best thing which I can give it to you is as a gift, that is you can go for the documentation. Documentation को एक बार अच्छे से पढ़ो, pinpoint your notes and all that, उसके बाद questions को solve करो and it will be done. Do understand one thing that yes, it's a personality test and not the knowledge test. So have a mixture of both the things. Simulate करो अपने आप को, stand in front of the mirrors, or I would say it out, make your short clippings that actually help you out to check your facial expressions, to boost your confidence, and last but not the least, realize where I do the mistakes. So all the best, keep learning, keep growing, take care, and bye-bye.